Every grain of sugar begins its journey rooted in fertile soil. Human precision still guides the first step of industrial scale.
Inside each stalk lies the raw sweetness of energy. Order is created long before machines take over.
Modern harvest blends muscle with machinery.
Speed and consistency scale what hands begin. Harvest flows seamlessly toward transport.
Nothing pauses once motion begins.
Balance ensures safe passage ahead. Scale emerges as many become one flow.
Human control remains central.
The boundary between agriculture and industry is crossed.
Every load is measured before it is transformed.
Flow is guided through engineered paths. Scale reveals itself at the threshold. Engineering replaces open land. Human oversight remains essential. Preparation begins before extraction. Cleaning begins where contamination ends.
Water strips away the field's residue.
Only usable material moves forward. Hidden hazards are quietly removed.
Human judgment finalizes the first selection.
Sweetness is released from fiber.
Flow becomes measurable output. Impurities are separated through heat and time. Chemistry refines what force revealed. Clarity emerges through patience.
Waste is separated with precision. Transformation prepares for concentration.
Automation intensifies concentration. Data directs every reaction.
Machines prepare the final separation.
Separation sharpens purity. Uniformity emerges through control. Moisture is removed with precision. Stability ensures consistency. Precision defines the final form. Quality is checked continuously. Verification replaces assumption.
Data confirms refinement.
Even structure tells a story. Only verified product moves forward. Transformation concludes with containment. Accuracy is verified one final time. Efficiency organizes scale. Product waits in readiness.
And this is how modern factories produce sugar from start to finish.